Rainy day pa. Rainy day. Paano tayo mag-uwi? Paano tayo mag-uwi?
Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning!
Hello there. Good morning.
Good morning! Ano yan, kape?
Oh, louder ha.
Bakit kami mabati ng ginagama?
Good sorry, good.
Friday na smile.
Sorry. Ako mali.
Charlie, good is working.